What's up, you guys? It's Julia and welcome to or back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, but this will be Vlogmas Day 17 for you guys. So today we're going to hike Waimea Falls on the North Shore, and I'm super excited. I've only done it once, but it's super pretty and you can swim in the waterfall, so I'm excited. And Waimea Falls is also a super cool location because they filmed a ton of different movies and shows there, and so I'll show you guys all the ones that they did film there, because when you walk in there's like huge posters on the side of the building and it has like every movie poster of the movie that they filmed there. But yeah, we're going to hike Waimea Falls with my friends and I will see you there. Are you excited for the hike?
Yes.
I just stopped here. What are my chances? Nothing here to fear. That feeling is useless. Stepped in fire. I couldn't catch you, but how was I supposed to know that you were a liar?
Yeah, I didn't sit it in the mud. Thank goodness I'm going in the water. Oh, leave it to Charlotte. Come on.
Some let go when they feel the struggle. I will not know. I don't see trouble. You started a fire, unwilling to go through. But how was I supposed to know that you were a liar? That I was your mate. And I got the strangest feeling that I got away. Yeah. It's a funny moment. Don't know where to go. It's hard to see it clear. So I'll let you go. So I'll let you go. So I'll let you go.
Okay guys, we are now at the beach to eat our lunch. I switched it up for lunch today. I got poke seasoned soybeans, it's just garlic and red pepper seasoning. And then I got the vegan farmer salad and a blue yerba. So that is lunch for today. What did you get?
I got some California spring rolls, and then I got soybeans, and nice kombucha to go with it.
And it's a beautiful sunny beach day.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all back to